The world of biomolecular science has just taken a massive leap forward. A powerful force has emerged reshaping the way researchers decode life itself. A model so vast, so intricate, that it holds the potential to redefine our understanding of DNA, RNA, and proteins across every species on the planet. And now, for the first time, this force is within reach. This foundation model, powerful, precise, and trained on nearly 9 trillion nucleotides, has now been made available for global research. This is not just another tool, this is EVO2. For decades, scientists have worked to decode the blueprint of life, but the complexity of genetic information has always been a challenge. The pieces never quite fit together fast enough. Predictions took time, discoveries lagged, and the deeper researchers went, the more intricate the patterns became. But now, the game has changed. A massive foundation model built using one of the most advanced computing infrastructures on the planet is now within reach. Powered by cutting-edge systems and trained on genetic sequences from every domain of life. EVO2 is rewriting the rules of biomolecular science. This is more than just data analysis. EVO2 doesn't just process genetic information, it understands it. It recognizes patterns in DNA, RNA, and proteins across species. It predicts the form and function of proteins from genetic sequences. It evaluates the effects of gene mutations with stunning accuracy. The implications? Groundbreaking. Precision medicine reaching new levels, identifying diseases, causing mutations faster than ever before, revolutionary drug design, creating molecules that target illness with unmatched accuracy. A new era for agriculture, developing climate-resistant crops to tackle food shortages, bioengineering breakthroughs, designing proteins that could break down plastic, clean up oil spills, and more. All of this is possible because EVO2 has been trained on an extensive dataset spanning life forms from plants to bacteria to humans. This means researchers can analyze vast sections of genetic codes in ways that were once unimaginable. EVO2 was built on an advanced cloud-based platform that harnesses thousands of high-performing GPUs. This infrastructure provides the computational muscle needed to train and deploy a model of this magnitude, giving researchers worldwide access to a powerhouse of biomolecular insights. And here's the critical part. EVO2 isn't just locked away in a lab. It's been made available through a specialized platform, allowing global scientists to apply its capabilities in their own research. Whether it's generating biological sequences, fine-tuning data, or designing molecular structures, EVO2 is now in their hands. Let's talk about what this means in the real world. The medicinal research EVO2 is already being used to analyze genetic mutations linked to diseases. It has demonstrated astonishing accuracy in predicting how mutations impact gene function. This could mean earlier diagnosis, more effective treatments, and a shift in how diseases are fought. In agriculture, EVO2 could be the key to food security. By analyzing plant genetics, it could help scientists develop crops that survive extreme weathers, resist pests, and offer higher nutritional value. In sustainability, the possibilities stretch even further. Imagine bioengineered solutions that break down pollutants, produce cleaner energy, or develop new materials. With EVO2, these aren't just theories, they are within reach. This is only the beginning. The potential applications of EVO2 extended far beyond what is currently known. It's a tool for the present, but more importantly, it's a catalyst for the future. With global access now open, the next breakthroughs could come from anywhere. The next medical revolution, the next leap in biotechnology, the next step towards re-engineering the biological world as we know it. The question isn't if EVO2 will change science, it's how fast. Stay ahead of what's coming. Like, share and subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking advancements shaping the future of science.